Hi friends, I'm back today with a new keto baking recipe book, a low-carb cookbook to help you win at the keto diet or low-carb diet. The author is Andrea and we will be looking at mainly at the ingredients. So let's look at the table of contents. I will have a link for the low-carb food list in the description. And everyone is always seem to be looking for baking recipes for bread, so we're going to go past all this introduction and get right to it. These books on here normally are fairly cheap. They're like $3 if you download it onto your Kindle. It's called an ebook or Kindle book. It goes right on your computer then. Okay, what did I miss here? Alright, carbohydrates. Let's go back one. What was that? Vanilla keto bread. It shows the carbs. We do total carbs, so 3.3 per slice. And here's the ingredients. We're just checking to see that all the ingredients are compliant. Eggs, butter, vanilla, stevia, almond flour, and cocoa, baking soda, apple cider vinegar, almond milk. That should be unsweetened almond milk. For diabetics, we're looking at these books because we're diabetics, not because we want to lose weight. These books are also for losing weight. That's why they don't always have the sugar-free things like the diabetics need. Okay, let's see. These carbs are 3.6 and bacon bread, bacon, coconut, almond milk, sugar-free or unsweetened. I get the Silk, S-I-L-K brand. Ghee is just melted butter, salt, basil, eggs, baking soda, lemon juice. Sometimes if there's baking soda, I skip the salt. I have high blood pressure, so trying to cut down on the salt. Here we go, cinnamon bread, 4.5, and that's always per slice, and up here it'll tell you how many servings. Oh, okay. It doesn't say 125 grams, but oh, down here it says servings 5. Okay. Here's the ingredients. A lot of these looks very similar, I guess, these recipes. Here's with the ghee again, melted butter. And if you get the book, it'll give you the tips and the instructions. Yeah, I use the keto-friendly nuts. Otherwise, the amount of carbs will get too high. Basically, let's see. I do use the almonds, pecans, walnuts. If you get into cashews, they're higher in carbs, and so are peanuts. Okay, 8.4 for 6 servings. Oh, here they've got nuts. These are all okay though. I'm not sure about macadamia. I haven't checked those out. Hazelnuts, pumpkin seeds, sunflower, baking powder. If you can find the keto brand that's without the cornstarch, that's even better, because most baking powder contains cornstarch, which is a no-no. Okay, unsweetened almond milk. And the flours are okay. Okay, this one is 6 grams of carbs for 3 servings. And did I flax meal bread? Okay. Chia seeds, flax meal, almond flour, unsweetened almond milk, baking soda. Okay. Garlic spicy bread. Carbs 7.6. 4 servings. Okay, paprika, turmeric, almond flour. And here we've got coconut milk. That should be unsweetened coconut milk. Everything else is okay. Cauliflower sandwich bread. I am surprised at how many things diabetics can make with cauliflower. Mashed potatoes, fried rice, hash browns, number of things. Alright, 5.7. Yeah, 4.9. Cauliflower. And just look through these. It's unsweetened baking powder without cornstarch. Coconut flour, oregano. Alright. Make sure if you're cooking your cauliflower first to squeeze and squeeze and squeeze most of the water out. Okay. And this one, cream cheese soft bread. Don't use light or low fat. Use full fat. 5.4 for 4 servings. Okay. Alright, unsweetened coconut milk. Baking soda. And like I said before, if there's baking soda, I eliminate the salt because the baking soda makes it salty enough. Alright, ingredients are good. Tomato keto bread. That sounds good. That's 7.4 for 4 servings. Spinach bread. Oh, forgot this. 2.4. Oh, that's really low for 6 servings. Spinach. Salt, basil, cloves. Almond hybrid. 5.8 for 6 servings. Stevia. Unsweetened coconut milk, and this again, ghee is melted butter. Chocolate rolls. 3.7, 6 servings. Cocoa powder, almond flour, butter. All looks good. Baking powder without cornstarch. And unsweetened coconut milk. Breakfast rolls. 4.75 servings. Okay. These recipes look pretty much compliant. Keto rolls. 6.1, 5 servings. Okay. Fast dinner rolls. 4.9, 6 servings. We don't subtract the fiber because we don't know if it's soluble or insoluble. Alright, again with the milks unsweetened. Unsweetened Psyllium husk powder, you can find that now in most stores. Health food stores for sure have it. Okay. Autumn rolls. Well, that's appropriate because it's autumn right now. Okay, that's higher, 12. I don't think I would make that because I limit myself to 30 carbs per day. Paprika, 8.3, 5 servings. Actually, I don't eat a lot of bread. I was eating jicama in place of bread till I found out it spikes my blood sugar, so now I'm back to just lettuce leaves. Okay. Food coloring. 2 tablespoons, that's a lot. Paprika. Okay. Butter bread rolls. Oh, forgot. 4.0, that's good. 5 servings. Okay. Ingredients are good. Now I don't know how many recipes are in here. Where am I here? Look at the bottom. Oh, I'm only halfway through. Alright, this is really low. What was this one called? Wait, what? No flour. Egg with cream of tartar. Butter, cream of tartar, eggs. Huh. Well, that sounds like scrambled eggs. Lemon rolls. I like lemon, especially in baked products and cakes. It just gives it a little more flavor, a little more zing. Mint. This is higher, so I probably wouldn't make it. 11. Carbs. I would make, those higher ones for a dinner party or something. Maybe have a half a slice. But for every day, that's a little too much carbs for me. Now this urethral tastes like real sugar. I think you can find it in most grocery stores now. It's a little more expensive, but I think you can use it sugar for sugar, just like sugar measurements. Okay. Raspberry. A little higher. I figured that with the fruit it would be higher. 11. Normally we recommend 1/4 of a cup of strawberries. No more, because strawberries are a fruit which contains sugar. Nut croissants, 8.9, 10. You are your own best healthcare advocate. You know what you can tolerate and what you can't. But in order to stay off meds, I have to be at 30 carbs or less. I couldn't handle the metformin. Okay, that looks good, but I think the macadamia nuts have more carbs than, oh, the cashews too, yeah. Those are too high in carbs. You might want to cross that out and not use those. Cream cheese croissants, 8.7, half and half. I use real whipping cream. Don't use half and half, because it's made with half milk, and milk has sugar in it. Everything else is good. 5.2, 6, and the name of this, ham. Oh, that's good. Ingredients are good. Alright. Just seeing how much time I got left on my camera. Cheesy croissants, 4.4, 6 servings. Everything looks good. And here they use cream, so that's great. Alright, now she's going into cakes and pies. So I'm thinking these carbohydrates are higher, but this one is 3.6, 3 servings. And what was this called? I forgot. Oh, chocolate cakes. Okay. Right here's the ingredients. Pretty simple. Mostly eggs. Yellow cake. 7.2. Everything looks good. Sponge cake, 8.2. Might want to cut the strawberries down to 1/4 of a cup. Or you could also use strawberry extract. If you can't find that in your grocery store, I'm sure Amazon carries it. 7.2. Simple ingredients. Alright, now what is this? Butter cake. I like that she's putting a little bit of lemon zest in almost every baked product. Almond flakes. I don't think I've... Oh, those are the ones like slices, I think. Okay. Meat and cheese keto pie. 3.7, that's low. Ground beef. Sounds good. I'll have to try that one. Banana. Now, let's see. Does she use real bananas? Because those are not something on the low carb list. Starchy and sweet. 7.5, so I think maybe she does. Oh no! Oh! Hallelujah! She uses extract. Which is allowed. Alright, here we got the almond milk again. Unsweetened. Now, lemon pie. Lemon zest. Let's see, she doesn't have any lemon juice in there. Oh, here it is. 4 tablespoons. And lemon extract for extra flavor. Good recipe. Pecan pie. 12. Okay, we know the nuts are going to bring those carbs up. Alright. Egg pie. Well, what is that? Boiled eggs. Oh, well, I gotta stop. Kindle Cloud Reader says I need to sign in again. But that's a pretty good book. If you want to get it, I'll leave the link in the descriptions. Bye for now.